Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can create an event on Facebook. So let's start. What you want to do is just be in Facebook and then just go to right corner to your profile or to menu, and then you're going to select events here under the pages. So let's click events. And now what you can do is go left top corner and then create an event. Now you can make it online or in person. So you can choose which one you actually want. Let's go with the in person. And now event name is going to be like, let's say, Christmas, right? Then it's going to be not today, but let's go 24, start time 8. Privacy, I can make it private, public, friends group. Now click next. Location can be here. That's my hometown. Description, you just add here like what is going to be about Christmas. And then you're gonna see description here that you can add and add a photo. And then just click create event. So that's pretty much it, create event. And you're gonna see right here. And now you can share with people if you want to. Add a cover photo, invite friends, edit, and this is pretty much it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions guys, ask me down in the comments. You can easily start discussion here. And have a great day and goodbye.